Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a very special video. I'm going to try something that I've never tried before. It's something that Chie has offered very kindly to cook for me, or make for me. It's a dessert. It's from the eastern part of the Philippines. It's particularly famous in Leyte and the summer region, which is in the east. So yeah, what's it called again?
Moron.
Oi?
No, it's not that kind of moron. It's a sweet, sticky rice roll from the Philippines. And it's not in salt.
Sige. Alright guys, let's roll. Moron is a Filipino native delicacy made from glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, sugar, dark chocolate. We're using the dark chocolate of 85%, and you need butter or margarine, and we're going to use the parchment paper because we don't have any coconut leaves or banana leaves in our country, so this is actually something that you can use for baking. Well guys, it looks like it's nearly done. They're going to do a second part to this, so we're going to put this to the side and let this cool. This is the second batch that we're going to do. As you can see, there's no chocolate. We've actually swapped the chocolate for peanuts. That's an optional extra. You don't have to have peanuts. It's just we like it crunchy and sticky, so that's why we put the peanuts in. Alright guys, let's roll. There you go guys, these are the two parts to the dish. Shirley's now going to expertly put them together, and then it's going to be rolled perfectly. Alright guys, this is our first time trying it, so this may not be perfect Moron, but we're giving it a go, and we're going to put this in the steamer for 30 minutes and then it's going to be ready to eat. Alright guys, see you in a bit. There you go guys, it's just come out the steamer. Alright guys, this is the finished product, and for me this is the best part of the whole video. I get to eat. Let's try this delicious foods. Smells delicious. You can smell the chocolate, you can smell the coconut. Right guys, cuisine tayo. Oh yeah, it's delicious. It tastes delicious. It tastes like suman. It tastes like, well, it's got the same texture as suman.
Tastes like kakanin.
Kakanin, that's the one.
Kakanin, I forgot the name, but I think we just put in the...
Do you think
This is kakanin.
kakanin?
Yeah, this is kakanin. We call this kakanin.
Okay.
Suman.
Suman, kakanin,
Suman malagkit. Yun.
Moron.
This one is Moron.
Nice. It's delicious, whatever it's called, isn't it? Whatever name you choose to describe this, it's delicious. Masa wrap. I like the peanuts as well.
Yeah.
It gives you a little bit of crunch.
That's it, guys. Join us.
Yeah, join us. You can come here by plane, by sea,
Swim like a mermaid.
by jeepney.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Coffee. Coffee in the morning.
Salamat Maganda for making this. Alright guys, gonna leave it there. I think Chie's done a fantastic job as always. Mahal na mahal kita.
I love you too.
And I think that, well, everyone should try this because it's delicious. It's great for trips, it's good for holidays, it's good for a treat.
Birthday, yeah. Souvenir treat.
It's perfect. And yeah, if you like the video, give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, family, maybe you want to make this for your child. And until the next video, ingat kayo. Alright guys,
Bye.
take care.